Yeah, I need to erase it. That was from the other day. All right. So word problems. Actually, we're going to do these ones instead. So, whoa. I'm going to start with 22. So this is a picture, anyways, it's a picture of a dog on a ramp. Okay. That looks like this. Oh, not that. The ramp obviously needs to be, there we go. And they say that this is 60 inches and this is 24 inches. And then dog is standing here. And they want to know the slope of the object. So you probably will end up needing a calculator because these are going to be like decimal numbers. But the slope is rise over run. So it's this up and down value. So 24 divided by run. So going side to side, 60. And then you would just type that in. 24 divided by 60 is 0.4. So I would let y'all have a calculator to do those. Let's see. I'll do 23. So we have a, oh, not that. Hello. This one's going to be a boat ramp. It's a height of 4 feet, width this way of 28 feet, and then there's a boat on it. Not an artist, guys. There's a reason I didn't try to draw a dog. Kind of looks like when they're like, when you tell a kindergartner, like, draw a dog, it's kind of what my dogs look like, so. All right, so this one, what would the slope of this be, or how would I set it up?
4 over 28.
Yep, 4 over 28, and that would be
7, right?
Well, it would be 1 over 7 if you were going to reduce it, but then the decimal is, it says to just go to one decimal place to the nearest tenth, so it would just be 0.1. So technically 0.14, and since 4 is less than 5, we round it down. Just a second, let me check something. Okay, I'm gonna do one word problem for you. Number 19. So I'll write out the problem, but you don't have to write it out when you're doing your problems if you don't want to. The table shows the number of days you keep. Also, please remind me I need to get back your quizzes from the other day because I forgot to give them back on Tuesday. Keep a rented movie before returning it. And the total cost of renting the movie. Find the rate of change. and cost with respect to time. It says to interpret the meaning, but I don't care about that part. So then it gives us time in days. And it gives us the total cost in dollars. And then it tells us, it gives us each day and the cost. And then the cost for each day, the first one is $6, then $8.25, then $10.50, then $12.75. I'll get that and then we'll go over it. All right, so it says find the rate of change in cost with respect to time. So that basically means cost divided by time is what that means. So this is X and this is Y. And so what we do is we kind of just ignore these times in the middle, okay? And so we're going to do, this is going to be Y2 and Y1, X2 and X1, and I'm going to set it up just like slope. Okay, so I'm going to have slope is equal to, which ultimately is going to end up just giving us our answer, but is going to be 12.75, so that's Y2 minus Y1, which is 6, divided by X2, which is 7, minus X1, which is 4. And then, like, I'll let you use the calculator for this too. So the bottom is going to end up being 3. The top is 6.75. And then you just divide 6.75 by 3, which is 2.25. And so $2.25 per day is what that means. To rent a movie, or to rent the movie from this place. So there's one that's similar to it, that's about an amusement park, and it's the cost based on the amount of hours spent. So I'll have y'all try that one. So the only two that I'm giving you today is number 20 and 21, and you can just add those on to what you already had, and we can go over those ones tomorrow.